How to change Amazon Prime Video audio language. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To change the Amazon Prime Video audio language, there are few of the steps to do. If you are using Amazon Prime Video on a website, log in into your account, then head over to Account and Settings and click on the Language tab. From there, you'll find list of language. Go ahead and select on your preferred language. If you are using the Prime Video mobile application, open your application and make sure to log in. Navigate to the option of My Stuff and tap on the setting gear icon. From there, you can tap on the language option and select the desired language. If you are on a smart TV, you can open up your application and access the setting option. Under the language option, tap on your desired language. So that is how you'll be able to change your Amazon Prime Video audio language in your website, mobile app, or any of the smart TV and supported devices. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.